Every year has a stock everyone's suddenly talking about. Right now, it's AI. People are piling in after most of the gain already happened and calling it a strategy. My name is Mike, and I spend way too much time watching people confuse a good story with a good investment. Here's what usually happens. A sector takes off, the headlines get louder, and it starts to feel like the safest bet in the world because everyone around you is already in it. That feeling shows up right around the same time the easy gains are already gone. Here's the part that gets skipped. If you already own a broad index fund, you already own the companies driving that story. The winners aren't hiding outside the index, they're inside it, sitting next to hundreds of other companies, so you're not betting your entire outcome on guessing correctly. Now, you might be thinking, but a single stock could grow 10 times over while the index just plods along. It could. It could also do the opposite, and most people can't tell which case they're in until years later. That uncertainty is the actual risk, not a detail you can plan around. Here's what most people miss. The boring index approach already captures the upside of trends like this without requiring you to be right about which specific company wins. So here's your one move. If you want to speculate on a trend, do it with a small amount you could genuinely afford to lose, and keep the core of your investing plan in a broad, low-cost index fund. This content is for educational purposes only and isn't personalized financial advice, so consider your own risk tolerance before investing. If this made trend chasing feel less urgent, subscribe. There's a lot more of this coming.